Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Google Drive on your Mac. So in Google search you can type in Google Drive download and go to the official Google website. And then over here you will see download Drive for desktop. Click on it. Once you click on download, now at the top right here you can see download. It's downloading right now. Now click on Google Drive DMG file, and then over here you will see Drive, Google Drive package. Just make a double click and then click on continue. Now click on continue. You can select the, for me, install for all users of this computer, continue, and then click on install. Enter your Mac password over here, then click on install software. And here you have the Google Drive and you can start using it. You can click on get started, log in with your Google Drive account, and you can access your file. So in future you can even dock it to, if you want to dock it, you can just make a right click and then you can option keep in dock option, or you can even use a launchpad. In future you can just type in Google Drive over here and you will be able to see Google Drive and you can open it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.